uliye mlinzi wa wadhaifu, sisi wenye dhambi tunakuja kwako, utuombee. I've been under the weather lately, and I just thought that probably I need to boost my immunity a little bit. And so I thought of making pineapple, lime, and ginger fruit juice. So come along with me. We are going to prepare this very nice juice. It's a very nice immune booster. So if you feel like somehow your immune system is going low, is going down, then definitely this is a drink that you want to try. It is very simple. It is not expensive. You do not need a lot of equipment to prepare it. Just simple stuff that you have in the household and you'll be good to go. Okay, so right away we are going to prepare our fruit juice. Karibu. We have to start by cleaning our pineapple. Make sure that it is very well cleaned. So today, the 19th of March, is usually the feast day for St. Joseph, who is the patron saint for workers. So I want to wish you all a happy feast day, and especially to all the Josephs. Happy feast day. May St. Joseph continue praying for us. Make sure that we clean it properly. Take away any impurities that they could be there, and then I also break them so that I get to clean it. All parts get to be cleaned. The ginger is already smelling very nice. Pineapple is an incredibly delicious, healthy tropical fruit. It's packed with nutrients, antioxidants, and other helpful compounds, such as enzymes, that can protect your body against inflammation and diseases. It originated from South America, and it was named by Europeans for its resemblance to a pine cone. It's rich in vitamin C and manganese. Vitamin C is essential for immune health, iron absorption, growth and development, while manganese offers antioxidant and aid in growth and metabolism. So let's get down to work now. I'll be chopping my pineapples in this particular tray because I do not want that it is messing up my working surface. Start by taking it out. If there is something that sometimes I do not like is peeling, having to peel the pineapple, because it's a task that I honestly don't like that much, but do I have an option? Tushereheke, tuige mfano, yeye alitii sauti ya Mungu, akawa mlinzi wa mwana wa Mungu mpaka mwisho. Baba Yosefu, mlinzi wa kanisa, uliye ubeba wito wa ubaba, utuombee. How do you normally remove these blackheads? Because for me, this is the headache that I always get each time I have to slice a pineapple. But they look tough, but we will find a way. By the way, I'm not going to throw away these ones. I will boil them. This one here. We need this small knife to take away the blackheads. It does it nicely, just like that. I think sometimes back I heard that there was an equipment that is used to remove these blackheads. So if any one of you knows what it is, kindly let me know, because I need it. I need it so that it can make my life easier when I am preparing pineapple. So in Kenya, we have several places where pineapples are grown. They are grown in some parts of Kisii, and Kisii is it Nyanza? Is Kisii in Nyanza or in Western? So parts of Kisii and Kericho County, they plant a lot of pineapples, and also Thika. Maybe one of these fine days we are just going to visit these farms to see how they plant their pineapples. And we also have to take away this crust. We don't need it when we are making our juice. Out. Oh guys, you have to forgive me because I cannot resist this smell, so I just have to munch this one. No. So we are going to cube our pineapples like so. Yeye aniishi kwa uaminifu na kwa ujasiri kamlinda Yesu na mama yake. Oh. We need to take our lime. So what I always do is that I massage it. Give it a little bit of massage so that it's easier when I am pressing the juice. Just comes out. Haraka haraka bila stress. Lots of juice in it and you don't struggle when you have to squeeze it. Unlike the other green ones, and you struggle until your muscles are aching. So this one is ready now. So we take our ginger. They were already cleaned. We already cleaned them. And now we have to cut. Ginger originated from Southeast Asia. It's among the healthiest spices on the planet. Ginger has a very long history of use in various forms of traditional and alternative medicine. It's high in gingerol, a substance with powerful anti-inflammatory, antioxidant properties. So I cut my lime. Hey, the juice is already inamwagika. I like going like around the, cutting it like that, round, not see heavy. Not like this. I have my simple squeezer here. You know, I use it so that if there are seeds, that they don't go into the blender. How are you? I have a tendency of singing when I'm working. It makes me enjoy the process. I think once you are a singer, you will always, find the opportunity to sing, even when you are doing something else. So forgive me for that. You have to use water that is safe for drinking. So this is distilled water. I'll just pour a sizable amount like that, not so much, so that it's not so much diluted. And then I sieve my lime in like so. So it is time for us to enjoy our drink, to refresh ourselves, to reward ourselves. And what other better way to do it than with this nice drink. Cheers. And in Swahili, you can say maisha marefu to all of you, my viewers. Okay, so that's all we had for today. Thank you so much for keeping me company, and I want to wish you a very blessed Sunday tomorrow. Take care of yourselves, and I hope to see you in our next video. Stay safe, and as always, I love you, but God loves you more. Bye bye.